Hi everyone, my name is Teresa. I'm kind of burning up right now. I'm putting mulch down today around in my house and along the bottom of my garden. I'm expanding it. My husband and son's going to get me a load of mulch right now. I am using cardboard to kill any of the grass. Now with cardboard you want to remove any plastic, tape, any foreign objects you find on it. All you want to put in is just the cardboard. Now I know a lot of people use it. Hey Tank. So, I know a lot of people use it in their vegetable gardens. I don't know if I would do that or not unless I buried it really deep. Food has chemical cardboard is put together with a type of glue, so that's made of chemicals. So I don't know if it's safe to use in your vegetable garden. I know a lot of people do. I haven't tried it. Might one day, don't know about right now, but right now I want to get my garden expanded, and I may go and get some more and put like a walkway across the front of the house. That way when I go out in the mornings I'm not walking through the wet grass. Haven't decided yet. I know I am expanding it around that direction. So I'm waiting on them to get back. It took me 2 days to go for them to be able to go get it for me. I am burning up because, like I said, I've been out pulling weeds and deadheading a few things and trying to make sure that cardboard is laying where I want it, because I've had it down for a while now. And it is starting to deteriorate already from being out in the sun and the rain. But you want to, when you're using cardboard, if you will keep it moist, keep your ground moist, that will help it deteriorate faster. No, it does not attract worms. It's the moisture in the ground that the cardboard is blocking in that draws worms. I heard someone say that it'll bring worms to your garden. They love that cardboard. Well, no, it's not the cardboard. It's the moisture in the ground. Because when the sun's drying out the rest of your yard and it's moist under there, that moisture is what's attracting them. So that's a good thing. Anyway, here they come, so I'm going to get busy unloading this mulch, and I think the first thing I'm going to do is go around the edges, seal off the cardboard so that the wind's not blowing it up no more. And then, like I said, I may wind up having to get another load. And it is hot. I was hoping it would be a cloudy day today. Looks like it's starting to get a little humid. Well, it's already humid out, but it's, what do you call that? Foggy looking, hazy looking out. So maybe that'll help block the sun, and I can get this unloaded in case the storm blows out. So we'll see in a little bit. I'm going to get busy. So I don't know why is it there's a snake around. I'm the one that always has to find it.
I don't know.
I'm going to turn the camera off while we get this unloaded, and I'll show you what it looks like. One thing I do want to tell you, if you wait till like
So what now?
the middle to the end of winter, a lot of places has their mulch cleansed out, and I have bought it for like $10 a scoop. So you might want to try that in the wintertime. Well, here's how it turned out. I'm really happy with it. Was a little short on mulch here on this far corner, but that's okay because I have decided to take it all the way across my front flower bed along the front of the house. So I will fill this area in when I do that. I will keep this lower part. If we don't get no rain in a week's time, I will wet it down once a week. That'll help the cardboard deteriorate faster. This crepe myrtle has been really beautiful this year. I was going to move it, but I enjoy seeing it from my steps when I'm sitting there on the porch. So I'm going to leave it where it's at. And this area right here is how we access the front with the lawnmower, so it's plenty wide enough still to keep the lawnmower down through there. My husband thought I was going to plant stuff there, but I told him no, that's just covering it to kill the weeds so we don't have to keep that mowed no more. And my little azalea has just a little yeah, I believe it is. It's the first time it has really bloomed out. Got huge blooms on it. I do need to water it because it's been dry a few days and it's starting to show signs of it. But I'm happy with how it turned out. And my husband did make the remark I could just turn the whole yard into a garden so he wouldn't have to mow it no more. So we'll see if he really meant it or not. There's my Susie girl. She's getting pretty old. We won't have her much longer. Anyway, that's my video. Well, thank you for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. I'll show you my new addition to my garden in the next video. I've been wanting something like it for a long time and found it on half price, and so I bought it. We'll see you then.